from strangers. Whether you like it or not, you choose the question number 9. When he walks confidently, binibining number 12. May binibining number 12, here's your question. Again, I will repeat the question twice in English and once in Filipino. And you can choose to answer both English and Tagalog. Okay, ma'am? For the last question, do you believe that esports should be considered a legitimate sport? Why or why not? Again, do you believe that esports should be considered a legitimate sports? Why or why not? In Tagalog, naniniwala ka ba na ang esports ay dapat ikonsidera bilang lehitimong laro o sports? Why or why not?
I do believe that esports should be considered as a limited sport because through esports, everyone can show their talents by just a screen, by social media. In our generation, social media is in power because everything is already provided in the media. I do believe that esports should be considered as a sport because through this technology, every athlete can show their skills through technology. They can show how they're able to conduct their skills using their fingers, using AI technology and other media platforms. There are a lot more chances for athletes to conduct their professionalism through this technology, and that is all that we need to do.
Thank you so much, Binibining number 12 from strangers. Again, to all the ladies, muli po maraming salamat.